Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to make Discord show what game you are playing. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you need to do is to open your Discord application and just locate the setting icon on the bottom left corner of your screen, and then just simply click on it to proceed. And then next, what you need to do, so after clicking the setting icon, a new window will open on Discord, and just please find the activity settings among the options on the left hand side of your Discord interface. And then next, just proceed by clicking onto the activity privacy and then enable all the options under the activity status, and this will allow Discord to automatically track when you launch a game. And then after completing the previous steps, just launch any game and it will be displayed on your Discord as a status message. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can make Discord show what game you are playing. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.